When we are talking about the SN2 reaction, SN2 reaction is which kind of reaction in which the reaction takes place in a single step. Single step means what there? It has the two attacking side. Means from one side the older bond had been broken down and from another side the new bonds had been formed down here. See in this step here it is a primary haloalkane. In this one the older bond means the CX bond has been broken down from the one end and from the another end at the same time when the older bonds are broken down at the same time the nucleophile will attack at the carbon atom. So in the same stage step the bonds are broken as well as the new bonds had been formed also there. So what we can say, it is happening in the one step also there. So it is all about the SN2 reaction. Now what we are talking about, the steric hindrance also come into the existence there. Now what is there? Higher the number of alkyl group attached to the carbon atom, higher the number of alkyl group attached to the carbon atom of the CX bond, more is the steric hindrance. Consequently lesser is the reactivity of the alkyl halide toward the SN2 reaction there. So here this SN2 reaction, in this case they are following the order there because primary will be the most reactive one, because the alkyl group producing a steric hindrance there, and the reactivity becomes less and less in the SN2 reaction there. Whether we are talking in the SN1 reaction, the tertiary one becomes the more and more reactive one. Now here there are some of the examples of the substitution nucleophilic reactions are given there, that I will give you there.
So students, will start with our some examples of the nucleic reactions, substitution nucleophilic substitution reaction and their synthetic application. First of all, we will go for the substitution by the hydroxyl group. Let us take an example of this haloalkane given here. See this one, RX. It is an haloalkane. When it is reacted with KOH, alcoholic KOH, aqueous KOH, it will this K and X reacted together and they will be reacted out from the system there, and what is formed out there? An alcohol has been formed. So this method can be used for the preparation of alcohol as well as also there. Then the next method, that is the substitution by an alkoxy group there. That is we are reading about the nucleophilic substitution reaction of the haloalkane there. Now next is by the alkoxy group. Alkoxy group, see here, it is used for the preparation of ethers. It is also called as the Williamson synthesis there. So when the sodium alkoxide react with an haloalkane, here what they will form, the sodium halide has been removed out, and what is formed out here? An ether has been formed out here. So this is the next, so what we can say, the Williamson synthesis also there for the preparation of ether also there. Then substitution by the alkyl group there means what there? For the preparation of higher alkynes there. Suppose if we have to prepare an higher alkyne, then what an haloalkane, when reacted with what the sodium alkanide there, then what it will form there? And higher alkyne has been formed out there. See this one, RC triple bond C, then R, then again the sodium halide had been removed out there. So this is the for the method of preparation of for what there? Higher alkyne there. Then the fourth one is what there? Substitution by what we can say, substitution by a cyanide group there, cyano group there. It is used for preparing what there? Cyanide or the nitrile over there. Suppose here if this haloalkane react with potassium cyanide, it is an ambient ligand. Since cyanide is an ambient ligand, it can react, it can attach towards the alkyl group along with the C also and N also there. If it is combined with the attached from the C side, then it is called as cyanide. What it is called as cyanide there. And if it is attached from the N side, then it is called as isocyanide. See here. So it is attached from this, in this reaction it is attached from the C side, then it is called as alkyl cyanide, along with the liberation of potassium halide had been removed out there. But in the next case, we are preparing, if we want to prepare an isocyanate over there, then we have to make it as a reaction with a silver cyanide there. Silver cyanide has been used for the preparation of isocyanide. In this case, it is formed by what there? Isocyanide. Why is it so? Because cyanide is an ambient ligand and can attack from the deficient side from both the C side as well as the N side there. Silver cyanide is predominantly covalent and reacts with the alkyl halide and form isocyanide there. So generally it is what we can say, due to its covalent nature, it has a tendency to combine with, from which side there? Nitrogen side there. So it can form what? Isocyanide there. Then next is the substitution by the amino group there. When this haloalkane react with an ammonia there, so it is what is formed there, and hydrogen halide has been removed out, and this NH2 has been added to which one there? Alkyl group, and formed an amine there.